To use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy M17e, you need to open up Settings and then select Display. Under Display, look for Edge Panels and select it. Then from here, just ensure that Edge Panels are enabled. Then you want to go ahead and select Panels and choose the option Tools, so ensure that it's been added to your panels. From here, you're then going to go ahead and bring up the Edge Panels. Then you want to swipe until you get to Tools. The first tool you'll see is the compass, but if it's not displayed, go ahead and select it. From here, just tap on Next, and that's just giving the compass permission to access your location. So you can see here your current location as well as your longitude and latitude. And if you point to a specific direction, you can see the compass shifting. If you feel as if the compass is not giving you the correct information, you can always go ahead and just select Calibrate. Move your phone around in like consecutive circles like so, and then it should be successfully calibrated and should start showing you the correct information. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.